Hello and welcome to Share C1 Operator. We'll guide you step by step from unboxing to point cloud generation. After opening this bag, the main unit is placed in the center. On one side is a standard battery handle, and on the other side are the charging plug and adapter. Inside the mesh pocket, you will find a magnetic phone holder, charging cable, card reader, user manual, and a lens cleaning cloth. Attach the main unit with the battery handle together. You will hear a click when it's securely attached. Avoid touching the top LiDAR sensor and the side cameras. Press the power button once, then press and hold to turn it on. So blue light indicates the device is ready. To power off, repeat the same steps, a short press, then a long press. Download the SHARECapture apps on your phone in advance. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your mobile device. Tap Connect Device in the app and select the correct SN number to connect. Tap Start Project and set the project name and photo interval. We recommended 0.5 or 1 second for best results. Remove the LiDAR cover, then place the device on a level surface. Wait about 30 seconds for initialization. When the green and blue light stays solid, it's ready to go. While scanning, keep these tips in mind to ensure the best point cloud results. First, our recommended scanning speed is under 1 meter per second. Keep the scanner positioned in front of your body as you move, maintaining a stable and natural scanning posture. As you scan, monitor the point cloud in real time. If you notice gaps, especially around corners, pause briefly or stay back to rescan and ensure complete coverage. After scanning, make sure the device still while data is saving. Exit only after you see the save confirmation. You can export data in 2 ways. Number 1, use an SD card reader. Number 2, enable USB storage mode and connect it directly to a computer. Open SHARE PointClouds Studio and click New Project. Set the project name and storage path. Then click Add Raw Data to import the raw data folder. Batch import is supported. Adjust the mapping settings as needed, such as colorization, dynamic object removal, and undistorted photo output. Last is the default output format with optional PLY and PCD support, and settings can be applied to all tasks. Click Start Processing to begin, and monitor the processing in the task window. If an error occurs during the point cloud processing, click Upload Logs in the task history and contact our technical support team. When the status shows completed, open the project to view the final point cloud results. That's the end of this tutorial. If you have further questions, feel free to reach our technical support team.